Hey you, welcome to Home Cooking with Chef Nick. I am Chef Nick, and today we're making my homemade granola. Let's get started. So we're going to start in a bowl with 3.5 cups of rolled oats, 1.5 cups of toasted walnuts, roughly chopped. Next we have a 1/4 cup of cashews, also roughly chopped, a 1/2 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes, and a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. Get all that mixed up real nice. And set aside. Next, you're going to want to grab another stainless steel bowl, larger in size, add a 1/2 cup of coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and a 1/4 cup of honey. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix until combined. Add your oat and nut mixture to the liquid. We're going to mix all of it together. Now we're going to take our mixture and place it onto a cashew tray lined with parchment paper, flatten it out nice and even so it cooks nice and evenly. Now we're going to put it in the oven at 325 degrees for a total of 30 minutes. We'll take your granola out and take a look at it. Oh, that looks good. See, it got nice and toasted all around, not too dark but not too light. Grab a stainless steel bowl, and now we're going to add 1 cup of dried fruit. I'm using a mixture of cherries and blueberries. Mix and enjoy.